The 2025 luxury EV market is buzzing. Longer ranges, ultra-fast charging, and designs that push boundaries. We're past the "can EVs compete" debate, now they're redefining luxury itself. Legacy brands like Rolls-Royce and BMW are merging heritage with cutting-edge tech, while startups like Lucid are building supercomputers on wheels. It's not just about electrifying old models, it's a total rethink of the driving experience. In this video, we'll break down the most talked-about models and the trends reshaping high-end EVs for 2025 and beyond. Let's dive in. Meet the Lucid Air Sapphire, a hypercar in sedan form. With 1,234 horsepower, it hits 0-60 mph in 1.89 seconds and tops out at 205 mph. Advanced chassis tech keeps it agile and stable, yet it still manages 285 miles of range. Inside, eco-luxury shines with a minimalist design and panoramic glass roof. The Air Sapphire proves the future of performance is electric. This is the new benchmark for electric sedans. Rolls-Royce enters the electric era with the Spectre. Electrification amplifies what makes a Rolls: silence, smoothness, and effortless power. The Spectre's dual-motor setup delivers serene, cloud-like acceleration. It's about waftability, that signature floating ride perfected by advanced suspension. Range, around 320 miles, plenty for its clientele. Inside, opulence reigns. The Starlight headliner now extends to the doors. The Spectre proves electrification can enhance heritage, not threaten it. The future of opulence is silent. Meet the BMW i7 M70, the electric limousine that blends executive comfort with M-level performance. Dual motors deliver 660 horsepower and over 800 lb-ft of torque, launching this flagship from 0 to 62 mph in just 3.7 seconds. Adaptive air suspension gives it a dual personality, plush for the weekday commute, agile for weekend drives. Range, up to 388 miles, making it a true long-distance cruiser. The rear seats are the showstopper. Merino leather, cashmere, and an optional 31-inch 8K theater screen transform the back into a private cinema. Up front, the minimalist dash and curved display ooze modern luxury. The i7 M70 is a tech-filled sanctuary designed for those who want to be driven and to drive. It's practical, powerful, and uncompromisingly luxurious. BMW's electric flagship sets a new standard for the executive class. This is what the electric limousine experience should be. The Mercedes-Benz EQS is the tech lover's dream. Less car, more intelligent device on wheels. Its 56-inch MBUX hyperscreen dominates the dash, with intuitive AI-powered software that learns your habits and anticipates your needs. No more digging through menus. Navigation, media, and climate are always at your fingertips. The system even suggests calls or adjusts comfort settings based on your routine. Rear passengers get their own 8K entertainment system, rivaling the best in the segment. The EQS is built for comfort and efficiency, with up to 354 miles of range and a smooth, quiet ride. Performance is brisk, but the focus is on serenity and intelligence. For those who value cutting-edge tech and a seamless user experience, the EQS leads the pack. It's a rolling showcase of what happens when software takes center stage. The future of luxury is digital. Worried electrification would dull Porsche's edge, the Taycan Turbo GT erases all doubt. With up to 1,020 horsepower in attack mode, it rockets from 0-62 mph in as little as 2.2 seconds. But it's not just about speed. Porsche's chassis and suspension tuning make it a true driver's car. Sharp and connected. Its 800-volt architecture enables ultra-fast charging 1080% in just 18 minutes. Add 150 miles in 10 minutes. Road trips are back on the menu. Inside, it's all about the driver, low seating, premium materials, and a digital cockpit focused on performance. 5G connectivity keeps everything fast and seamless. The Taycan Turbo GT proves electric cars can thrill like never before. It's the ultimate electric sports sedan. Porsche's DNA is alive and well, in electric form. The Audi RS e-tron GT, sharing its platform with the Taycan, offers a grand touring twist on electric performance. With 912 horsepower, it sprints to 62 mph in just 2.5 seconds. ferocious, yet refined. Its digital sound signature adds character without being overbearing. The 800-volt system means ultra-fast charging, 10-80% in 18 minutes, making long journeys effortless. Inside, its classic Audi impeccable build, modern design, and a virtual cockpit that puts everything at your fingertips. Sport seats and a glass roof reinforce its GT credentials. The RS e-tron GT is for those who want Taycan-level performance with more comfort and daily usability. It's the continent crosser of the electric era. Power, style, and practicality, no compromises. Now, let's talk about the tech that could change everything: solid-state batteries. By replacing liquid electrolytes with solid materials, these batteries promise higher energy density, meaning 500-plus mile ranges could soon be standard. They're safer, longer-lasting, and less prone to fires. Major automakers are piloting prototypes for 2025, bringing mass adoption closer. Solid-state tech could make range anxiety a thing of the past. Imagine cross-country trips with minimal stops and batteries that last longer than ever. The leap is coming, and it's a game-changer for luxury EVs. The future is solid. Ultra-fast charging is here, thanks to 800-volt architectures. Doubling the voltage means faster charging, lighter cables, and less heat. The new luxury benchmark, 10-80% charge in under 20 minutes, over 200 miles added in a coffee break. This tech is spreading fast, making EV ownership more convenient than ever. No more long waits, just quick, seamless stops. For luxury buyers, time is everything. As more brands adopt this standard, range anxiety fades away. Fast charging is now a must-have feature. Inside, AI is transforming luxury cabins into personalized, intelligent spaces. Hyperscreens and massive displays are just the start. The real magic is in software that learns your habits and anticipates your needs. Voice assistants now understand natural language and can adjust comfort, lighting, and even your mood. Navigation is smarter, planning routes and charging stops automatically. The goal: remove the mental load and make every drive seamless. Your car becomes a digital assistant adapting to you. The luxury EV of 2025 is more than transport. It's a smart, responsive sanctuary. Welcome to the age of AI-driven comfort. Luxury is being redefined. Sustainability is now the ultimate status symbol. High-end EVs feature recycled, upcycled, and plant-based materials that feel as premium as traditional options. Vegan leathers, recycled fabrics, and responsibly sourced wood are the new norm. Brands like Lucid and Polestar lead, but even heritage names are embracing eco-conscious design. It's not about compromise, it's about modern luxury that aligns with contemporary values. Designers are exploring new textures and colors, making cabins feel fresh and relevant. Quality and conscience now go hand in hand. The new language of luxury is sustainable. Autonomous driving is evolving fast, even if full self-driving isn't here yet. Today's luxury EVs come loaded with sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR, making them ready for future software upgrades. Level 2 and 3 systems now handle traffic, lane centering, and even hands-free driving in certain areas. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets smarter over time, just like your phone. The result? A safer, more relaxing drive that keeps improving. Car ownership is shifting from static product to evolving platform. The road to autonomy is well underway. Put it all together: breakthrough batteries, ultra-fast charging, AI-driven interiors, and sustainable luxury, and 2025 becomes a tipping point for high-end EVs. They're not just alternatives, they're often the better choice. Range and charging anxiety are fading, while the in-car experience is being redefined. Whether you crave tech tradition or pure performance, there's now a luxury EV for you. The market has matured, the technology has arrived, and the future of luxury motoring is here. 2025 is the year electric luxury truly comes of age. The landscape has never been more exciting. That's the state of luxury EVs in 2025, a complete transformation of high-end transportation. Breakthrough tech, rapid charging, and AI-driven comfort are setting a new standard. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Which model or trend excites you most? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of electric vehicles. Thanks for watching. See you next time.